Today I wanted to show you how to make your very own hot pack at home. If you don't have a heating pad, that's okay. This is a great option using things that you probably already have at home. Usually any pain that you're experiencing in your body is great when it's treated with heat. Moist heat is best. Heat is clinically proven to help decrease pain and tension in the body. So if you have a muscle or an area of your body that feels tight or is hurting, or if you're just feeling really stressed, heat is a great option to decrease that stress, increase that blood flow and that circulation to that area, and it can promote healing. And I'm often educating my clients in how to make these, so I decided to finally make a video showing you how to do this. All you need is a sock. I dug this one up out of my closet. It's nice and fuzzy, and I like it because it's a little bit longer. I would definitely recommend like a crew sock at least, although a tube sock would be even better because it would be a bigger hot pack. Rice. I put this rice in a jar. It's probably a good idea, or if you have a funnel, that would be even better. String or a hair tie, whatever you want to tie the sock off with. And then this is optional. I really like aromatherapy, so I'm gonna put some lavender essential oil in my heating pad. I'm going to just open up my sock, put it over top of the rice jar. You can also use a funnel if needed. Alright, so once all of your rice is in the sock and it's all the way full, at this point take my oil. If you're using essential oil, I would highly recommend lavender, but lemon or orange or really anything that pleases you would be great. I'm going to put just a couple drops in there. And then I'm going to take my twine, make a few knots, and then tie it off with a bow to look nice. That was really easy, right? It smells good. You can put it on your shoulder or your neck if it's tight after a long day. I use it for a lot of my patients who have hand injuries. So you can lay your hand flat and just put it on top of your hand. You'll want to microwave it for about anywhere from a minute to 2 minutes. If it feels too hot to be comfortable, to rest comfortably on the area of pain for 15 to 20 minutes, then please use some towel layers in between. You can fold up a hand towel and create some layers in between there. You can also put water on the hand towel and then put this on top, and that will give you some good moist heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. I hope you guys found this helpful. I know I've been really stressed with everything that's been going on, and there's nothing that I love more than curling up on the sofa at night with a hot pack on my neck or my shoulders.